Superior baking performance for perfect cakes. Cast aluminum ensures even heating for excellent results. 12 cup capacity. Actual color may vary slightly from what appears online. PFOA-free non-stick coating, which makes release and cleanup a breeze. Before initial use and after subsequent uses, hand wash with warm, soapy water. Extended soaking is not recommended. Made in the USA. This original Bundt pan is our very first Bundt pan design from the 50s. The full-size 12-cup Bundt pan is made from cast aluminum that heats evenly for perfect cake texture and color. Our sturdy cast aluminum provides superior baking performance. The pan is non-stick coated for easy release and cleanup. Bakes elegant, picture-perfect cakes with ease in a shape loved by millions. The pan can be used for many Bundt recipes, pull-apart bread, monkey bread, as well as being a great jello mold. Use with a baker's non-stick spray, flour-based, to help release easily. We recommend that the pan be hand-washed to help extend the life of the non-stick coating. Top reviews from the United States. Quality non-stick. Heavy non-stick pan. All my cakes' crust came out golden brown and evenly cooked throughout. The first few cakes I did not grease yet cakes fell out halfway during the flip. After reading reviews of sticking, I greased and floured just in case, and still no hint of sticking. Great pan at least for the cakes I make.